Stop, yeah, that's fine. Running, driving, stopping, starting on the computer. That's cool because you can.
You get a key to get better. Mate of mine, 25 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I had this running in January, February, just about 2 years ago. That's how I started. Yeah, all the little bolts. Yeah. But it knocks the whole car out. It just won't drive. It won't drive. It just keeps playing games. Fix one.
They always will too.
If we fix one, we'll fix one.
And
Fix one
everything's
issue.
new.
Should get 6 more. Come back. Yeah, soon, yeah.
Yeah, enough to teach the patients.
I've just got everything going now. Now the fuel gauge stopped working.
Sorry, mate, I'll get out of here.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, it's a number matching engine 440, original to the car. Yeah, all factory air conditioning, power steering, electric windows. It's an RTSE. Yeah, so yeah, everything's done factory standard.
Yes,
Okay.
it looks
Yeah.
beautiful. You're keeping it and
Yeah.
Mopar.
Yeah, all Mopar.
Yes,
No,
that's what I wanted.
Yeah.
Mopar.
Yeah,
Just
nothing. Yeah,
Yes.
nothing fake on it.
Yes,
It's all mother Mopar.
that's the good thing about it, and you're keeping it. Love
Yeah,
it. Love to
no
see that.
worries.
Thank you very much for bringing this today.
No, absolutely fantastic.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later.
Sure.